So in this example, I'm going to show you how to assign auto increment to a column. But before that, if you observe, I haven't assigned a not null constraint to gender ID. The reason being gender ID is a primary key. So the primary key doesn't accept not null, null values anyways. So not null is not mandatory, but if you want to add, by all means, you can add as well. It's not. How to add auto increment? What is the significance of auto increment, right? So when you create a table, and if you have an ID column, and the ID column is an integer column, and that column is a primary key. In most cases, you want to unique representation, the values that you enter into ID to uniquely represent the records in the table. In that case, you want this gender ID or any ID column, matter of fact, to incrementally, update. As and when you enter a record, automatically the value in this column increments as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, right? So that being said, you can actually add a statement here, a keyword called auto _increment. And what this does is it makes this column an auto increment column. So you don't have to, once you designate this as auto increment, you don't have to really enter any values to this column. All that you need to do is enter values into the rest of the columns, and this column value will be automatically increment to the next immediate value.